In this video, I compare SiteGround and Hostinger, so you can decide which hosting provider is the better fit for your website. Let's start with Hostinger. For beginners, Hostinger is one of the easiest ways to launch a website. The setup is quick, the dashboard is clean and modern, and you won't get lost in complicated menus. It's designed to be approachable even if you've never set up hosting before. Price-wise, Hostinger is budget-friendly. The premium plan starts at $2.99 per month, and the business plan is $3.99 per month. While the renewal price is higher after your first term, it's still affordable compared to many competitors. You also get a free domain for the first year, a free SSL certificate, and 2 free email mailboxes for that first year. However, if you want more than 2 email accounts, you'll have to pay extra. Now onto SiteGround. SiteGround starts at $2.99 per month for the startup plan, which includes one site, 10 gigabytes of storage, and enough resources for about 10,000 monthly visits. Like Hostinger, you get a free domain and SSL, but there are some notable extras: unlimited email accounts from day one, daily backups on all plans, and access to a global CDN with 170 edge points to help speed up your site worldwide. If you need more than one site, the Grow Big plan starts at $5.49 per month and gives you unlimited websites, 20 gigabytes of storage, and room for around 100,000 visits per month. SiteGround also includes phone support along with live chat and tickets, so you have more ways to reach help if something goes wrong. Which one should you choose? If you're just starting out and want something simple and affordable, Hostinger is a great option. Clean interface, low cost, and solid performance for small to medium sites. But if unlimited email accounts, daily backups, a built-in CDN, and phone support matter to you, SiteGround brings more value in those areas, especially if you plan to grow multiple sites or expect higher traffic.